Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a TikTok maximum number of attempts reached, try again later. So guys, when you have logged in your TikTok account on your iPhone or on iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you have to make sure that you have entered correct password, and guys, after doing this you need to log in again. So guys, I've still not fixed your issue, you need to go back. So guys, simply you have to go back first, and guys, you need to open your settings. You need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After doing this, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to make sure that you are using upgrade version of TikTok. So guys, how can you see this? You have to open your app store on your iPhone, and here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after searching here, you need to open your TikTok app here. And guys, after this you have to open your TikTok app from here, and guys, you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, simply you have to update your app first. So guys, after doing update, you have to go back, and guys, you need to log in again your account, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys, after this you have to open your TikTok app here. So guys, simply you have to click on TikTok, and guys, after this here is the option of offload app. Click on offload, and guys, after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. So simply you have to click on reinstall app. So guys, after this your app will be reinstalled on your iPhone, and guys, after reinstalling, when you have log in your TikTok again, then guys, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your TikTok smoothly. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.